Hello guys, here I want to show you how I managed to install a supercharged M113 intake system on my naturally aspirated M113 engine. First of all, if you have E430, you must relocate the MEF. The MEF is installed on the right side of the engine, on the top of the valve cover, right side. You must relocate it to the back of the engine where the throttle body is installed. You can grab some parts from newer models which are equipped M113 engines, and everything fits here without any problem. Here you can see that I have relocated the MEF, installed it with the throttle body, and now I will show you what I have also made to install this intake on my car. After relocating the MEF, by the way, I used all original parts here, which makes possible to install the MEF right to the throttle body. After this, you must add some rubber grommet. Here it is on the right side back of the valve cover, and also you must push back the oil dipstick tube for the transmission gearbox, otherwise there is not room and it will not be possible to install the supercharger intake on your M113 engine. So guys, after relocating the MEF, adding the rubber grommet and moving the oil dipstick tube, you have to change two tubes also. One is the fuel line. Here it is the fuel line from W210 E55 AMG, but it did not work for me. That's why I grabbed W211 E500 fuel line and it worked here. And also you must change the vacuum line, otherwise the lines here restrict the possibility to install the AMG airboxes. By the way, this vacuum line is also from W210 E55 AMG, very rare part to find, but I obtained it in Germany and I am very happy now. So after doing all these steps, it is time to extend the mass airflow sensor harness. As I already mentioned, on E430 the mass airflow sensor is installed on the right and the harness is short, so not a big deal. Just use some soldering options, and I soldered the wires. I extended it, so here you can see the MEF airflow sensor is switched with the connector which is extended here. Then use some tesa tape to make everything look like factory. And guys, I like the setup very much. Everything looks like it should be, and this was the result I was looking for. Be patient and everything will be possible here. So my friends, very important, you must swap the pipes. I mean these pipes, right, left and left to the right, otherwise it will not fit on the naturally aspirated M113 engine. I also ordered the original house clamps from Germany. These are some unique house clamps. They don't like regular ones. And the biggest part here, how to make possible to install this Y pipe and connect it to the mass airflow sensor. Very easy. You must make some parallel cuts here, 4 cuts, little cuts. Then use some 110mm house clamp. I'm using Blue Zebra house clamp, and then it will be possible to connect this Y pipe to the mass airflow sensor. Just tighten the house clamp, and that's all. And this is the final result, guys. I think everything looks very good here. I was working on this project about 1 week. I was very slowly, but thanks God I made everything in the good manner here. I like the finished result. Here you can see how secure is the connection between the Y pipe and the mass airflow sensor. No leakage here, and everything looks very good, like factory, and all the parts I used here are original Mercedes parts, nothing from tuning and other stuff. And also, guys, I have cut here the firewall, very little cut I have made with the Dremel tool. This allows me to install these airboxes freely. I mean, when you are accelerating, the engine moves, and it needs some place here. Otherwise, it will grab the firewall, and it was not the result I was looking for. Also, I made a little cuts to the engine, to the rubber cover, which is installed on the firewall. Here is the final result. I like it very much. I checked it, I tested, and it works very good. Now I am going to install the intake pipes, and this is the final result. By the way, here you can see what I have done here. Anyone can do this job. If you like the video, thumbs up, and catch you in the next episodes.